Welcome to Retire Too Soon, and today we're going to be working on the topper. We're going to add some insulation. How you boys and girls doing? As you see, I got the topper on the truck, and today we're going to be working on the inside, making it look a lot better. Alright, let's jump into it. This is what we're working with. We got the reflectix and gaps and cracks from Great Stuff, some duct tape, and scissors. So what the plan is I'm going to roll it out, tape it on the edge on 3 of the sides, shoot in the gaps and cracks, the spray on foam, insulating. And I know the whole point of this is to have a gap. I'm not going for the high R value. I'm going more for cosmetic. So let's see if this works. Got the first stripped up. Gonna tape it. Obviously gonna take time to dry and it's gonna expand, which is obviously gonna cause some air gap anyways. I just don't want to take up too much headroom. And there would be a better way of doing this, but I don't want to get rid of space. So I only did 2 sides and about 3/4 of the way up. I'm going to let it sit overnight and see how it looks tomorrow. And then I'll finish up if it looks somewhat decent, I'll finish up the front and I'll start doing the center on the roof. It's the next day, and I end up going to Walmart, do it the old-fashioned way, go with Plan B, and use some adhesive. So this is what it looks like the next day. I'm not too happy with the results. I haven't got up in there yet, but I checked it last night before I went to Walmart. And yeah, not too happy. It didn't expand like I thought it would. Plus it's also getting really cold here in Alaska. So we're dropping down, well, I mean, not cold, but it's dropping down into the 30s, low 30s. So, which is probably not good for the product. So, let me get up in there and try some of this spray adhesive. So I got the roof done. The adhesive worked out a lot better, definitely a lot faster. And obviously it secured it more evenly and across the whole entire installation. So the spray foam did make it stick, it just didn't expand and make a connection like I thought it would. You know, the bond that I was hoping it would make. So probably a lot better if you just start off with the adhesive and just spray that on. You wait a little bit so it gets tacky and just push it on, and then go back a few minutes later, make sure it's pressed against the object you're trying to get it to adhere to, and it's good to go. So I'm gonna probably stop right here for now because temperature is starting to drop and I want to make sure I get a decent connection so the product works like it's supposed to. And I'm planning on most likely doing carpet throughout the whole entire topper. But at least now when I get up into the bed of the truck and my head touches the roof, I don't feel like I need to take a shower right away. So at least it's a clean surface. Thanks for watching. I know it wasn't as epic as I was hoping it to be, but live and learn and try something new. I couldn't find anything on YouTube or online that people used a foam installation to get it to here. So figure I would test it out. It doesn't hurt to try. So thanks for watching. You know what to do. Punch, kick, smash, subscribe. Until our next video, thanks for watching, and there'll be more videos to come. Thanks. Bye.